The difference between copy sneakers today versus back then, man, you can obtain any sneaker that you want in today's time as long as you're willing to pay the ticket for it. But back then, when I was collecting growing up, man, it didn't matter if you had the money or not. If you didn't have the connections or the plug to get that sneaker, man, you was just not getting that sneaker unless it was fake. But today, we finna look at one of the shoes, man, that was very, very, very difficult to obtain when I was growing up, man, and that's the Air Jordan 5 Burgundy. This nigga is already loaded up on the sneaker app, man. Set to release August 29th for a retail price of $225. Now, I hear a lot of people saying it's pretty steep for a GR, but listen to me, man. This nigga is worth every single penny. Now, taking a look at y'all favorite app, man, this shoe is going for a little of nothing, man. Very, very close to retail, but don't let that steer y'all away from buying this sneaker, man. This sneaker would be a great wintertime shoe. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. Wait till the wintertime when the temperature drop, man. This gonna be one of the ones. Now, why I say this shoe is worth every single penny, man. If you take a look at the materials, man, they did not skip a beat, man. You hear me? These sneakers feel so premium to me, man. It's not a hairy suede. It's a new buck, but it's a new buck brushed suede, man. If that makes any sense to y'all. Yes, man, from the materials all the way down to the snitching, there's no glue stains, there's nothing wrong with this sneaker, man. That's why I say it is worth every single penny, man. The $225 price point on this shoe, it actually makes sense when it comes to this one. And I'm not even being biased. I'm just giving y'all my very, very, very honest opinion, man. Now, for all my OGs out there, man, I know y'all copy this, man. It's not even a question, man. But for all the younger people, they honestly don't understand what this shoe actually means to us sneaker collectors growing up, man. And with that being said, there's no extra laces in this shoe, man. It doesn't need any extra laces, man. These are the laces that should come with it, man. Don't lace swap these, man. Keep these laces in, man. It's going to be a clean look. I'm telling y'all, man. Now, if you look at the bottom of the shoe, man, you can see that it's a little bit bluer than it would have used to be, man. I like that a lot because it won't yellow as fast. So, appreciate that, Nike, for doing that for us. Now, for all the people that actually care about the box, man, it does come in the Air Jordan Flight box, man, with cement print going all the way around it. It does not come in your standard Jordan 5 box, and the colorway does read deep burgundy and light graphite. Now, if you're paying attention, man, these upcoming sneaker releases for the rest of the year, man, is gonna be some pressure, man. I'm telling y'all, man. So I know everybody can't cop every single thing, man, but in my opinion, if y'all had to pick certain shoes that y'all gonna cop for the rest of the year, man, these should be one on, along with the Air Jordan 8s playoffs and the Cherry 12, man. I feel like those are mandatory to be in my collection this year, man. The rest of it I can really do without. You feel me? That's just the loss of love I have for Jordan, man. I really could care less about the rest of the sneakers that's coming out this year, but those three, man, I'm telling y'all, man, pressure. But yeah, man, y'all already know how I like to do it, man. I don't like to waste too much time, man. So let me know down in the comments if you're going after this sneaker, man. And don't forget to smash that like button for your boy if you enjoyed this video, man. Don't forget to also subscribe to the channel, man, to stay updated anytime I upload any sneaker content. streetwear content, or anything about men essentials. And until next time, I'm out of here.